Okay, hi. This video will explain to you about the reflex arc. Okay. Okay, what is reflex? A reflex is a rapid, involuntary motor response to a stimulus. Kita tak boleh kawal. Reflex ni berlaku secara cepat dan tanpa kawalan daripada kita. Tindakan tu. So has 5 elements: receptor, sensory neuron, integration center, motor neuron, effector. Okay. A reflex arc is conduction pathway for a reflex action, involve sensory cell, effector cell, one or more nerve cell. Right. This is a diagram of the 5 elements of the reflex arc here. Okay. Now, for example, if you have been pricked by a nail, okay, the stimulus prick to the skin. Okay. Now, the skin is the receptor. Number 1. Okay. Number 2. The sensory neuron that send the information to the integration center, the green color here. Okay, the green color is the integration center. And then it process the information, send the information to the motor neuron, to the effector, to our muscle, so that you can lift your leg. Okay. Alright, spinal reflexes. Reflex means extremely rapid way of responding to an emergency situation. Contohnya macam terpijak paku, terpegang benda panas. Okay. So all spinal reflexes carried out by neurons in the spinal cord alone and not involving the brain. Dia takkan sampai ke otak sebab because of the reflex is rapid, okay, pergerakan dia laju, so dia takkan sempat diproses by our brain. Dia hanya setakat spinal cord sahaja. Okay, so reflexes are divided into somatic reflex, which is effectors are the muscles, and visceral reflex. So the effectors are the smooth and cardiac muscle. Okay, smooth muscle, for example, our stomach. Cardiac muscle, our heart. Alright. Okay, this is a specific example of a stretch reflex. Okay, have you been a knee-jerk reflex before? Maybe at the clinic or at the hospital. So the doctor will will tap the patella ligament to excite the muscle spindles in the quadriceps. Okay, this is the muscle spindles. So when the muscle spindles excites, afferent impulses, the blue here, will travel to the spinal cord where synapses occur with motor neurons and interneurons. So the 3A, okay, 3A yang the red color ni, okay, the motor neurons send activating impulses to the quadriceps, causing it to contract. So what happen? You punya kaki akan contract naik ke atas. Okay. Extending the knee. Okay, tadi lutut you macam mana saya nak tunjuk macam ni. Lepas tu bila you kena ketuk kat sini, lutut you akan straight macam tu. Okay, contract. Okay, look at the 3B. The interneurons, okay, the interneurons make inhibitory synapse with ventral horn neurons that prevent the antagonist muscle from resisting the contraction of the quadriceps. Okay, hamstring ni dia akan inhibit. Inhibit maksudnya dia stop the synapse to prevent the hamstring from resisting the contraction of the quadriceps. Sebab itulah you punya quadriceps boleh extend. Sebab you punya hamstring tadi tu dia dah resist the contraction. Okay. So we have the stimulus here, sensory receptor in viscera. Okay, viscera tu organ dalaman, contohnya perut. You rasa lapar. Okay. And then visceral sensory neuron sent to the integration center. Okay, integration center here. So is maybe preganglionic neuron, maybe dorsal horn, or maybe walls of GI tract. Okay, number 4, efferent pathway. Okay, the preganglionic neuron and ganglionic neuron. Okay, they send the information to the visceral effector. So you akan respons lah. Okay, bila perut you tiba-tiba sebab lapar, apa yang perut akan bagi tanda? Dia berbunyi. Okay, dia tak adalah bagi effector tu dekat you punya muscle untuk grab the food. Tak. Itu dah jadi kepada motor, somatic. Okay, somatic response. Somatic yang kita boleh control. This is autonomic response. Okay. So that's all for this video and thank you.